that replaced the Broadway Limiteds, or I think the Casablancas, I don't know, they all have hang trees. One's going forward. This one with the entryway is going in reverse for some reason. Again, they all have hang trees. So I can only assume they're Casablancas, but don't know for sure. I think this was the Broadway that fell, but now it's fine. Cool if they found in like ornate fans to replace the Broadways though. New Casablanca, Panama. Hunter Beachcombers outside of this restaurant. There's 5 of them. And there's Hunter Originals inside, but you can't really see them. This is in the Pirates gift shop. Hunter Original over the coin machine. They have a Mariner. Casablanca 4 Season 3s at the Aladdin gift shop. They got hang shrews. I didn't realize those came with hang shrews. And there's the other. They have an original here. And this Hunter. Used to be. Blackout Express restaurant at Hollywood Studios. It's the first time I've ever seen these industrials, or these big Hunter industrials that you see in Menards out in the wild, or in any color other than the gray. I'm assuming that industrial there is what these all used to be originally. Big ass fans of the one industrial in the Indiana Jones showcase area. I didn't get a ticket, so I can't go in, but this is it from the outside exit. Alright, so outside this restaurant on property, they have two of these things. And in the eating area, a ton of these. These are by the shuttle bus wait stations to leave Disney Springs. Every station has 3 of these. These are the weirdest looking fans I've ever seen. It's kind of cool how they like go up. But these things are not great air movers. This is outside of guest relations at Disney Springs. I'll never understand why they have these fans reversed. Like, outdoor fans in reverse do absolutely nothing. Unless they're in an enclosed space. Edgewood's outside of a restaurant. They've certainly seen better days, all three of them, especially that guy, 2 missing blades. My goodness.